All right, everybody. So, is everybody ready to go through? Got it open, everything?
Yeah.
All right, cool. And then, Brandon, I guess you're just gonna kind of follow along on the worksheet that you have there and send an email to
Yep.
the professor. Cool. All right, so I guess let's go through. Number 2, I got the brand of toothpaste would be categorical.
Me
Yeah,
too.
good.
Cool.
Yep.
And for the IQ test scores, what'd you guys get?
I got 100 is parameter and 112 is statistic.
That's what I said.
Yep.
Um, yes. I'm sorry. I got that.
Cool. And for number 5 or 4?
I put a stratified sample.
Me too.
Yep.
Okay.
And then 5 I put cluster sample.
Okay. I got that as well.
Okay.
Okay. And then for 6, I put simple random sample.
Me too.
Mm-hmm. That's what I got as well.
Alright, and then 7 was stratified again.
Yep, me too.
Yep.
Okay.
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 Okay,
And
for 8 I got 4.771.
that's what I got as well.
Yep.
And number 9?
1.912.
Me too.
Yep.
Yep.
I guess number 10 is just a true-false, whether you did it.
Right.
And number 11?
I got negative 0.165.
That's what I got as well.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
No, Brandon, did you get this far on? I'm not seeing it on the docs. I've got that here open as well.
Yes. So I did 1 through 5 or 6 or 7, and then I did 24 through 32.
Okay. Okay, so you haven't gotten to these ones quite yet.
No. Yeah.
Okay.
And I have some on my Word document here that I've done that I don't know if they're on there. But yeah, I can do 24 through 32. I've got all those.
Okay, do you want us to let you work these out and go a bit slower? So you
I'll
can-
just write them down and go back and double check them once Professor, if he opens it back up for me. Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, so then for 12 I got 0.681.
Yep. Okay. And then for 13, Shelby, what'd you get for that one?
I wasn't sure exactly which one that was. I couldn't remember.
Okay.
Me either, but I don't think it's any. I put none because I'm pretty sure it's none of the other 3.
Right.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking, but I wasn't positive.
I guess
Okay.
we could go through if you want and try to find out. It'd be nice if there was a link to where we can find information on these.
Well, I know I wrote down like in my notes, like for the reading,
Mm-hmm.
that variance is the sum divided by n minus 1, so it can't be variance.
Right.
And then standard deviation is like last, so it can't be that.
Mm-hmm.
And it's definitely not mean.
Yeah, so it has to be none, I would say.
Makes sense.
Okay.
Great.
So then for 14, I got 0.715.
Yep.
Alright, and then 15 I said false.
Me
That's
too.
that as well.
And then 16, I put extradural. I'm
Yeah,
not-
you said.
Okay.
And 17 is true.
18 I put 8.
Yep.
Yep. And 19 I put 50.
Okay, right. Alright, is everyone caught up to this point? Or
Isn't in between there the quartiles? Is that not the 68, 91, 95?
No.
Okay. Okay, and then 20.
What did you get for 20?
This is as far as I got.
Oh,
It was up
20
to-
I got 2.055.
Okay.
All right.
And then 21 I got 0.233.
Okay.
okay.
And so that should be the 1.822 and 2.288.
Yeah, correct. Okay, and then I didn't really know what 23 and 24 were.
Okay, so 24. It took me this was the hardest problem for me, and I realized it, and I felt so stupid once I realized what the answer was. It's kind of all right. So let's do 24. So what is the probability that any student a randomly selected student will score above a 542.3?
That's different. That 24 is 25 on the quiz.
Oh, sorry. Okay,
So,
never mind.
what is the value of the mean of a standard normal distribution?
Wouldn't that just be the same as the mean
That's what
above?
I thought.
Well, I think it's independent of those questions because, like,
Well, it's not like
isn't the
there's like a
drinking
general
water?
mean though, so I don't think it. And it says use this information to answer questions 21 and 22. Oh, just kidding. That's 23.
Yeah, that's why I think it's different. But I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what it would be referring to.
Is it supposed to be like a word, maybe?
Do you guys want to skip those and come back to it?
Yeah,
Those are the hardest ones.
we can go
Yeah.
to 25.
So, Brandon, did you want to explain 25 though, since you were?
Yeah, let me do those. So did you guys get 50% for number 25?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah.
What did you say? I didn't understand you.
I'm sorry, 50%.
Okay. Yeah.
But you had put 0.5, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You put 0.5. Okay, yeah. And then 26, I got 0.6398.
I got 0.684.
That's what I got for number 27. Wait a minute. So I'm using a Word document, and I've mixed all the numbers up, and I'm like, so what is the probability that a randomly selected student will score below 600 on the GMAT?
Yeah. Did anyone else do that one?
No, but we can.
I didn't get this far.
Okay.
So either I mixed them up or I got the same answer that you did. See, I think I got 0.684. Then I realized I did it backwards.
So shouldn't it just be 542.3 minus the 600 and then
Well, I don't know if it matters,
divide by
but
124 or
Yes.
120.54?
isn't it
Yes.
600 minus 542?
No.
Matter
No.
either way.
No.
Okay. Okay.
It,
It'll give you a z-score either way.
Because it'll just be negative or
but-
positive,
right.
but yeah.
But it needs to be negative, and it has to be negative. And so if you don't, yeah, that's
Well-
what caught me.
In this case, because 600, it is technically 600 minus 542. In this case,
Uh-huh,
so it would be
right.
the positive one that you would put there.
But
And-
either way, on the applet, it makes you do both anyway, so.
Yeah, exactly. So for my z-score, I got 0.479. So the probability to score above a 600, I've got as 30.316, which would mean below is 0.684.
Right, okay.
That's what I got.
That's what I got too.
And then those two numbers should add up to 1.
hmm
What'd you get for 27?
So for the 10th percentile, do you just highlight the left side and then do 0.1 on it in the area
Yep,
with the z, and that gives you the z-score?
yep.
hmm
I got 0.316.
For 27.
Or it's the find the GMAT score that corresponds to the 10th percentile.
Okay.
I got 0.316. What did you
Okay.
get? Lynn?
So-
That wouldn't make sense as
Yeah.
0.316 because it's, but 50% is at 542.
I got 388.
That's 388 is the 90th percentile, right?
No.
I
The
got
50th
697.
percentile- The 50th percentile is 542. Scoring less than that would put you at a lower percentile than 50.
hmm
Hmm. Man, I'm all confused on this one. All right, what number are you guys on now?
So that's the equation, I just typed it, that you would do. The z-score you get by highlighting whatever section that you need and then putting it in the area. So for the 10th percentile, you'd highlight the far left side and then in the area just type 0.1.
Yeah, that's what I did.
That gives you the z-score of negative 1.282, which you would put where I typed the z-score there, and then you just solve for x.
What was your answer for number 28?
388.
Number 29?
Yeah.
697.
Yep, that's what I got.
Yep.
And then the first quartile of the distribution of GMAT scores is what?
What's the first 25%?
Okay. So yeah, again, what I've done is I didn't copy the first question in the whole thing, and so all my numbers are one off, and so yeah, I'm just one off. It's a little bit confusing. So, great. And the third quartile, what did you guys get for the third quartile?
Wait, what was the answer to 30? What did you guys get?
I got 461. And then I got 624 for the third quartile.
Yeah. Let me give 32 a shot, or we'll see where it goes. Whenever you guys are ready. You guys ready?
Yep.
Great. So what are the mean and standard deviation of the distribution of sample mean scores for all such samples? So isn't it, it's just the same, isn't it 542.3 is the mean? And the standard deviation is 120.54?
Well, the mean stays the same, but the standard deviations change.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the standard deviation, isn't that the one that you divide it all by the square root of the n?
Yeah.
Yes.
Which, if I've got my order of operations right, I got 17.4.
I got 31.123.
Oh, yes. I took it a step further. Correct. 31.
You said 1, 2, 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And number 33, I got 0.914.
Is that for the probability that it will be greater than 600?
Yeah.
I got 0.032.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I totally bombed this one. I don't know what maybe it's order of operations or. Do one of you guys want to submit it and double check to see if we got those right? Because.
Well, don't forget we didn't do 23 and 24.
Yeah.
Right. 23.
Any luck finding anything on those?
Not yet.
Yeah.
I might have found it.
Could they be 0 and 1?
Yeah, when the mean of a normal distribution is 0 and its standard deviation is 1, we call it the standard normal distribution.
Okay.
So the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1.
Okay.
It's in lesson 5.
Okay. Cool.
Lesson 5. Great. All right.
All right. I submitted it and it got 100.
Cool.
All right. Does anyone have any questions or anything?
I don't think so.
Wow. Yeah, I guess that'll do. I'm gonna have to look back over this. I don't know what I was doing.
I think
Cool.
for some of them the numbering was just off too.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
Awesome.
sounds good.
Thanks, guys.
All right.
Alright. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Oh,
So yeah, hopefully he'll let you retake the quiz there.
yeah. See how it goes.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Thank you, guys.
See ya.
All right. See ya.
Bye.